Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me in Patti's kitchen. I am about to cook some collards, and these are the collards. They've already been washed and cleaned and everything, and they were in the freezer, so I took them out this morning. And I have a small cabbage here that I am going to cook as well. Once the collards are just about done, then I will put the cabbage in once I cut them up. And the meats that I will be using are, I'm going to do some smoked turkey, and I have some neck bones here. So I will come back and let you see the process as everything begins. I'll talk to you in just a few. Okay, y'all, I'm frying bacon to go in the greens for flavor. And I have the neck bones here. And in the pressure cooker, I have the smoked turkey drumsticks. So once I get all of that together and get the greens on, get them all seasoned and everything, I'll come right back.